Hey, little artist! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Hey! Today, we're going to meet a colorful chameleon.
Hey there! I'm a chameleon, a very cool lizard.
Ho-ho! Let's start with the head shape.
Large and triangular.
Draw large, round eyes with black pupils.
My eyes can see even in low light.
Let's draw the big mouth. Hey! Draw the long and sticky tongue.
I can shoot it out and catch insects with it.
Oh-ho! Draw a dragonfly at the tip of the tongue.
Yum! My favorite snack.
Ha-ha! Now, let's draw the long body.
My body is very flexible.
That's cool! Now, let's draw the tail.
I can use it to grab onto branches.
Ha-ha! Awesome! Draw powerful legs and toes.
I can run very fast and climb very high.
That's impressive. Add some scales to the body.
My scales help me to blend in with my surroundings. I can change my color to any color I want.
Ho-ho! Clever! Dorsal crests along your back.
Like a little dragon.
Draw a tree branch for the chameleon to sit on.
I like to sit on branches and watch the world go by.
Add some flowers and leaves to the background.
They make my home look beautiful.
Draw the lines darker to make the chameleon stand out. Now, it's time to color our chameleon. Green color face.
Blue.
Multicolor body. Pink. Violet.
Indigo. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red.
Colorful flowers. Brown color branch. It, a colorful chameleon.
Fantastic! Kids, no matter what color you are, you're always unique.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!